Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever come across a shade so stunning, it's almost impossible to look away? Well, today I've got something that might just have that effect. We're taking a close look at the Stila eyeshadow compact in the iconic shade Kitten. If you're someone who loves versatile eyeshadows that can take you from day to night with ease, this one's for you. The Stila eyeshadow comes in a compact form, packing 0.09 ounce of gorgeous powder that promises a glossy finish. Whether you're a fan of wet or dry application, it's versatile enough to match your mood and style. Its high-quality formula has earned quite a reputation for being blendable and easy to work with. And today, I'll be sharing exactly how it holds up in real life. When I first tested it, I couldn't help but appreciate the texture. It's silky smooth, almost buttery to the touch. The pigmentation is strong, which means a little goes a long way. I applied it dry for a soft, everyday shimmer on my lids, and it looked stunning. When I tried it wet, however, the intensity really popped, perfect for a night out or a more dramatic look. The versatility of this product makes it easy to customize your look depending on your day or evening plans. But let's get into the nitty-gritty. I've used a fair share of eyeshadows over the years, and this one holds its own in terms of both performance and longevity. I wore it through a full day of work, and while I did need a light touch-up by late afternoon, it stayed beautifully in place. The glossy finish gives a fresh, dewy look, which is perfect for someone who prefers more of a glowing finish rather than a matte one. But this does mean that you'll want to set it with a primer to prevent any creasing, especially if you have oily eyelids. The compact packaging is sleek and travel-friendly. While I appreciate the size, it's not the most robust in terms of the material, so it's worth handling with care. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's fair considering the quality of the product. It's a bit on the higher end for a single eyeshadow, but given how versatile it is, I'd argue it's worth the investment, especially if you're looking for a product that can easily transition between looks. Is there room for improvement? Perhaps a larger shade selection or a more durable packaging option could make it stand out even more in the competitive beauty market. However, the Kitten shade itself is a classic, perfect for those who love a soft, glowing eye look. If you're someone who loves to create versatile eye looks, the Stila eyeshadow compact is definitely worth considering. It's easy to apply, blends effortlessly, and can be worn wet or dry to achieve different intensities. It's definitely geared toward those who want a more natural glossy finish, but with its pigmentation and adaptability, it can work for a wide range of occasions. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've already used this eyeshadow, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Do you love the glossy finish as much as I do? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.